kosu kumase no yan kan ya yeti ko ka obi dia Kro Yi Mu Nsem be we soldier force ye discipline no vanguard for na soldier for respect to Kro Yi Mu Nsem
anas di nyansa krono no de bo Ghana nyina
Kro Yi Mu Nsem
you can engage in all the propaganda you want, but if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you.
Kro Yi Mu Nsem
Dr. Baumia, what you are reviewing economics boost in a minute, and in so piece on the economy management to be Anton. John Mahama now, on only time, not sitting at the same inflation, singing they get for almost how many marks?
Kro Yi Mu Nsem
Ghana for Sena, at the Abana absorbing through NACO. It's not over 100,000, and you give such a government 4%. That's a hypocrisy.
Kro Yi Mu Nsem
And I'm sounding a warning to the MPP. We're going to match them boot for boot.
Abosoba ne meja paye enti amosomfo aduana ba Kofi Asante anopa nonum ene fa ekosi nonkron semaduana ba pa ho aduada ekosi yawada na efiada papa nyameke nso betena dwem ebre kro na
Kro Yi Mu Nsem I ask you to be citizens, not spectators.
And now,
Kro Yi Mu Nsem Kro Yi Mu Nsem Ensama kosu kumase no yan kan ya yeti ko ka obi dia Kro Yi Mu Nsem be we soldier force ye discipline no vanguard for na soldier for respect to Kro Yi Mu Nsem
anas di nyansa krono no de bo Ghana nyina
Kro Yi Mu Nsem
You can engage in all the propaganda you want, but if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you.
Kro Yi Mu Nsem
Dr. Baumia, what you are reviewing economics boost in a minute, and in so piece on the economy management to be Anton. John Mahama now, on only time, not sitting at the same inflation, singing they get for almost how many marks?
Kro Yi Mu Nsem
ni padodo na enti eni omo hwehwe komo omo menye bi no hina ukoye why na only the contact no media information no me follow up it is a say ni the omo ntwema obi emma hospital emmo test no omo ano mu wura e follow up eco places inti say e fa ne say omo ba aha na say akotinye bia omo e calculate 1 kilometer radius from baby or around na almost here test no any amount of you come test no within 1 kilometer radius to communities ne if you wo nyina no no ma ya ntinu no ma start enyinya cases so na the all party say tani man ebu ayi pa na akomo okitwa to emani ya chin community I was saying in a boy of buying the whoopie and I say, oh, to what fan say, ye obey one, Abiano will be to all buying, oh, boy, who buy no, dear, obey one so who buy, oh, both will feel for so who buy in the shade, them say, whoopie no, we are highly rare car now, boy, who buying all homes that a body is a with soap and water and the running water. Who used to sanitize intermittently. Now, who keep social distancing now? Who born who by now born no padodona who by. Now, Yariano 14 days and the incubation period. In this be. That's a who keep social distance. No, now from some now we the also nothing. Who no more after 14 days, at least 28 days here. Who spreading community and no a bit to me have an issue. So we mean system you okay, and I say we have right treatment now, and one before Emma spread no, and twice to a year baby. Inti kakan say bit me continue. Inti Kofi Asante bisaya the one no.
Utie nkasa yemu ana Buruka say Warren Emma Asante region say ye free 17 echo 27 omuhwa ebeto aso akwa na
almost say cases no air possible sana and you're worried, but the airpatch say tests no more do no or more yet than a bear a bit to me a boy home buying. Then a bear will be any do a baby, and the chance say who or daddy. Or more yet test no more cases now, then they can protect the people, then they can protect a lot of people into another. Menene agent komo no bisa no class hospital here air conning you know worry na or say there be any worry provided say ye keep World Health Organization protocols, keep your distance, wash your hands, use the sanitizer, and everybody will be okay.
Ye benyam rena fe ye ne na din komo no amaye mo update but utimi ma uhu the contact trace no maye wa Santa region ene cases are o ma peke no o matimi test ni na dodo na babonte apart from the 25
they know patchen say still na cases here from to test no contact trace no do ma dodo na over thousands inti dodo na no maya omugusu test no na the no patchen say be na up out as negative be na test no about negative akaka ya omu trace na omunya positive na no cry ni say ebohun say to me keep protocols na we are okay but test there do na no mugusu ai because they say cry no or say ni pa do na omu contact no a lot of people are cooperating kanina nka din so bi kwa beka so makoha I say because of when you say amount for the neighborhood when you say ebi onenye na issue about but people are really volunteering information into a bomb amomujuma no so elko kama
Prince Apia bibini ebesan so aba unchen yenu Prince Apia any regional health director ora tinkran kasa ono na chire ni mu say ene ya Santa region free 17 akodi total case of 25 now about 3 days ago Parliamentary Select Committee on Interior and Defense eba mantemi mu a omo ene penifo bi di nkombo hwe se de adwumadi si ko bambon nsem a ekoso na vice chair for the committee our one a member of parliament Edema Menshianoff ora Collins Owusu Amankwa na yene ni nkombo na yenya understanding so far say na niema isi eko bema e mo ache Nhyira FM chief
Yania coffee
bibia aboko de
bibia aboko senior
enyamiase atese manfo ye 4 more for nanano ho de 10 years more for Collins campaign ko saying
that's it asala no ma menchia santimai na menchia otikoko so na say to the second na make say na machia party penny for regional chairman aban penny for regional minister KM boss and mention of addition from polling station chairman for council of elders chair obia na chair Nhyira FM so adwuma for any TFO nyina menyanum Syria college me no special arrangement into chair o man of
na ayi na me can say man for say 10 years for Collins because you say wo kwan nyame adom sisi ade watimi aye dodo no aguso o must stop here na say you are not construction yet part of the lockdown but so far progress is causing
well so far me did say so good coronavirus and I said COVID-19 couldn't stop Nhyira from enjoying massive infrastructure development. Na eguso ayekoso mene o kase contractors no 3 and oversight.
Okay.
So juma.
Okay.
Mene o kase ya ohemu kuma se de me hona metimi akase contractors be num. No mu nyina juma. Na se mene kase mi nsa guso a mo juma. Nti airport runabout Edikosi Estate Junction attached contractors omo egusu omo ye adwuma CC kra no don say hono ye dual carriage enti omo wie ba ko no kra mienu no po omo wie ba ko de omo be hwe se na otwi kra ye bie ni kakra ba hwe se be bie ni fully se ne be ya omo betun apply sa route no na pressure war moshizongo inner roads no through ye nyaso no na conform kakra Bishop construction limited so many o ka say asphalt overlays no mu gusua omo dukro from in fact a constituency ni more fee be who say total transformation and a year contractor construction UK firm almost so na almost see airport no modern airport no omo kasa so ye adwuma me ka say Kro from ni ye nyanso nyina no omo gusua omo ye drinks na ekoso kama na omo de no atofom kakra DHL company omo na ye Chinese for na no mo ye estate ni nyina no na what happened is omo kase omo kwa ko di afashe China unfortunately Hubei province and one hona see na COVID-19 outbreak no sha se no hono musu ntinake se mienu na kokam ho na mienu na kokam but oba no enye de menene she's in Ghana nti ye hwekwa be fa so a se omo be cheni ebetima dane amobi a ne ho den na wato aso a na kontem ama estate ode fetch inside one kasa part of South Africa
part of South Africa yeah na me fie nim ho bila ho no jata area ho mizapia gusu area o maye cause me fa wa check akra
I say ho no so ho no podie problem ne nso kase because already drains you know na ya feel coin so kakra nti hono unlike we dey free be like ho South Africa station hono but as we speak my member Nhyira Penny Gambra so abaso
okay
urban director Ashanti region oni urban rose director KMA Nhyira Nanapoku Atapoku but juma no credit e ba ko pe na o he juma e koso nyina ye nyina o mama na ye mre so amame e say having done my part as the lobbyist for my people a minister responsible for roads and highways honorable
Akwata
or Abame constituency 4 times and yes four times no one can say any behe. I can say Bosch now share for the appointments committee say obere no see Makwano who say promise fulfilled. Inti meti mi aka say almost so one Ghana man panyini asida kese ne de ema won. Kwan ne yegusu a the lovely company ono so ewo kilometers a ewo mention enough.
Okay.
So almost so aba site. Ma omo no de ye ni say omo be ye 1 kilometer. If na na fodo ho ebebo awuramu aba besi choko ho. Etwam dia call rooftop. Eno no e de chiro ho e kwan bankrofo nim. E already no me akasa makọ ho ma slums e wo ho ne wo mo de kios ne me bia kotisi wo. So bia nyim free omo so atiase e bia yi Academy contractor na ba site ama me amene na corrons including 2 engineers urban roads ye wie no owia ono no say ko quarry ne dot so ye ko twa 2.5 kilometers bi ho say ne be wura quarry kro no ade anu nyam sonko beba then again so near the 1 kilometer bi so ato biase new site ho na chese enclave ni nyina no obiye ni hu a say bi obetimi aka say ya nhwe no in terms of road distribution enti no we are on course and no year road infrastructure
of course
then when it come to health education and also so the brain is
I think say yeah tatao take you on a coin Boja or Quinty, Yanyawa, Nasa, Yamiadom, there's been progress as he using the same platform. Now they can other facilities in the Minimsa Obojma, but then we will not look at it. But the quina yaka Collins Bukrum Kwayo Nyamiadom ya at least it's important set here for who say Nyampa quina na ye can want some necessary me frase na panibi ete wo kwan wo friend na bi otra is it my time hotel if you kese na wo kwan na wa no o si na otwema dwegina bibi so last Sunday or frame it was much of concern was say omo say economic study the COVID not even COVID but omo ye anu no ba be guso bisa ona say for temporary free bu portrait about ba bu krum wa ba stage and ona I say omo ba be twa asphalt abra gates ni nyina no ene nsuo na ewo ho ni na COVID no omo nyanye I don't know so we are aware
no me aware what is happening is your challenge kakra because a coin no any minister kasa minister buy no sa feeding said there be dual carriage no kayem for estate junction pacho wotie
pa
nti won say wodi wura bokrum carpenter mu ho no na de na be single carriage
okay
nti no challenge on say o say ida say ibu nzongo nungu
okay
ana say ye ko filling station e ho no ne market no ye ko kagu no so no ifie wo ho so mo say that anything nti now no yi kasa guso a koso because one managing here the assemble for crab beba and I was say yeah because airport no this is the master plan the master plan is that ultra modern airport aban ye sidiama kumasi we are runway no better be runway nim kakra
okay
and ye be aircraft akese no betima be land kumasi
okay
until for the first time be a man for bit me no Lufthansa say be a kumasi KLM so who the mention Emirates chese ni nyina ne say enya da bia na ye beba be fa kotoka akwa brochire nti obi wo kumasi na opese do so ko abrochira kumasi ho na chese nkoko. So what we are doing now no when a proper international airport when we are done it in the message say you because of that intino the flight in Landia you find it says we free boko it on Landia yearly mess one because of the person be intino ideally no sa kwan na a free airport run about they could see estate junction no overpass pacho utie ni
Ethiopia
they no better form they are call a year dotty junction no it says yeah din samso no say they are na ye canon so na say ne be ya fit no benya more space to land next is muna na zakese no obia di to
intimate the okay just move here from airport and about Dubukrum market one now they call carpenter for one is there assemblies of God so be if you now kobunsu mo kotule mess on I want be here overpass
SD no there be ka estate junction one kasa be atasi run for be
I so what crowd the my free dot ya ba be do estate junction
yes enka hono be da form pache hotel
okay
I want that for more yeah overpass
okay
overpass ebema tarmac na say a runway no be a land na be ban anymore
okay as this overpass here airport a runway no overpass asem na yeken
I don't know can one say because of that in the pass road no road no emphasis but rather the road no better form
okay
let's make more space. Yes.
Wow.
Now that is the master plan. Now, dual carriage, you know, because of say in some kayo honotino. Yeah, botre no so the beba.
Okay.
And Crawford class that already raising concerns. Me could think of Bobby. No, they must say, hey, any honorable. And I'm saying the woman botre na ye nyina no say a penny dia. Can't see once any beautify chrono. Because as we speak, many Ministry of Energy. Edin kita ho de ndia mepe life bi etimedia ba be gu kwan ne so e dra ni na ke song kan ya ne dia na che se wotimi se Collins motorway pa ura mu obo mu ha so that is my thinking now
Okay, but enti omunya covered because of honsuo ho pa sa ho kakra no de bedu lemeso
opanyini ne kan now because of say ye pese kwan so demu no na no original plan ye dual carriage ne kosi no na ye nya ho no because e dey beba bebu ho no ye beba bebu aye inti non to see bebu aye no already no na ye gata no ho dada. So what the company is supposed to do they say ye bet sa gata nim de da baby opanyine ne ka no na Lebanese ni dem son ko Indian but friend na catch ne say only sa scraps no turn ne ho no free kwan no
because ho ni na nsu to ho nyina yiri
sure and a kwan cry ye no ya ma kwan mam sa scraps tantan no ngu kwan no and on friend munyam ma nti eno no me na che no say we are sure so baby but because of the lockdown in yema bi e koso nti no ama almost hwenhwem e kra o makakra but all the same na o say o timi free ho na e kwan ni mu da ho nti messe menu apanyin na bi say ne ho no me ne company no foreman no kita ho say e mo mfa so tra nkosa because the bus are not sensu to erosion said the enya nim no that already got a yama it was it me tigata nim
exactly
yes ekosi ensuo mu ho ye tigata nim ye pa ansa antesa all the asphalt be gu so a
ensuo no be freba hukuru ni nyina san e de akọ
okay back to square one
okay
me on plan inclusive dodo
yeah but yeah I think that is a concern because ye ba be yi kwan ye nyanwe ni esan boka the asphalt begusi ye we esan ba be tutu then it's an impression say ahwe kra ye nyama me ya
gata we ni mu ye no mo sa beti omo be yi gata ba ko wonchen ha sani e be ya ensuo to a ebetinya be sina ko na emeta kwan nim okay de omo aboa yen aye major works e wo CCC ho no.
Okay.
Because as we speak, CCC hold there. In fact, attach here no.
It's great. Abzaboyane member of parliament Edema Mentionof Ora Collins Sousa Mankwa onwana ye vice chair Edema committee parliamentary select committee and interior and defense. Na chair vice chair be enano mo ba yeah
parliament parliamentary leadership. Me say chairman of government assurance committee na form.
Oh, I see.
Chairman.
Government Assurance Committee.
Exactly. And you know, say, yeah, who introduce me properly there. Attach me with Government Assurance Committee. Then you narrow it to Defense and Interior. And in this uncommon.
Okay, you are right. That is chairman of Government Assurance Committee, and that of Interior and Defense, and so we are vice chair, right? That's it. Mobile Santemantema about 3 days ago, a follow up on COVID-19 areas are locked down. How far Bambo 4 ne Jumedia Abandia she Ekoso. Then what were your basic observations?
But that's it, committee, select committee on defense and interior. Yaba Asante Mantem, Shase Ewo and Crime, Mantem Nim. Nanina fa in the wake of COVID-19 outbreak. And Yama Miasa, and near train agencies. Its social impact, financial impact, that is the economic lives of the people. And security implications are a war. Nti ohwe mo so a ma se bebi on ba so ko a e ba ye bambo na ye fise mo a ye na ye hwe se enema de ko yie no a ye wo oversight role over security agencies in this country, including law enforcement, a main law enforcement agency, they say Ghana Police Service, military, Ghana Armed Forces, and immigration services and as officers, prisons services, security agencies in any leading National Peace Council, Omunina oversight rule over them, and a refugees board, Omunina Kahumbi. Na eno ena enyina ye say Ghana Mampenyinia ono no yo sahene commander in chief of the Ghana Armed Forces and the chairman for National Security Council or did the Haitis be a buy so a year coronavirus ya a unity ewo wiase afana nyina megidi se hwehwe ekuta wiase the world has come to stand still. It been kobi ma obia hwekwa befa so be contain this deadly disease e woni krom. The Ghana Mampanyine directives or outline you know. Wa mananso or followed up to initiation of legislations. A year imposition of the Restrictions Act 2020 year. The JD said known as a man illegal backing war and somewhere or there two yenim ne partial lockdown exercise air course or no. Na eno ena oma bambofo no tichu no. Say yem bobai. Na yenhwe say lockdown exercise air course. Sebi nipa no nyina be comply. Ye fe no compliance no. Ye be diso. Enti ye nyina ye gitum say ye nua no masoja for police for fire service immigration wo mu nyina obi ye adwuma edeboa na true be I say who watches the watchman na say who be here say yezo asabi yan ye gina ho ema nipa ewo amanfo no wo mrache bedwam as lawmakers and at the same time representatives of the people no then na yeso ye be ye say ne be ya adwuma na ye de ahye won sa no bruni but is a shared responsibility bakofo nchire down for police alone cannot do the job without the support of the public, without the support of the civilians, and now say military no ntimi nya adwuma without the support of the civilians. Nti ekwan ba ne be fa so ade dikan ye be hwe se police civilian relations at say armed forces public no relations at say na a cordial and ye be exercise ya omu ye nipa no bi de okos roba form and some money aye won say yare every society bian there are deviants enti they would want to provoke security agencies no wabra ye nyina ye nim say partial lockdown as ye koso no there has been one or two and answer minor scuffle via akoso or missiles via akoso between a civilian and a security officer. Wabra already see ewo ashama already see ewo tafo and abako besu see ewo kaswa. If my memory serves me right, 3 idea. Then you know ya dia yes so na DC and ye abako police officer ono so owo me mpesi so yeta for pankro no ejidi says answer when are still under investigation. It mean to make any prejudicial comment on it about no massa investigation no notwithstanding ye ba asantemantem any asantemantem Suafo, the governor of the region, Honorable Simo Osemens, any police commander or Asante Mantem, Ghana Forces commander or no so Asante Mantem, Ghana National Fire Service, or no so Penina or Dow or Mopenina or Dow, no Asante Mantem. And prison service penina oda o mano e wasante mantem ye nyina ne committee ni yeshia e regional coordinating council na yetwato adwene regional minister my briefings about the happenings in the region we committee ni so express opinion as far as partial lockdown is concerned ma kwan commanders so no almost also church or madrid some of the challenges are almost go through anyhow best you bet me abwa na sebi juma ye die no see ye be boy a man for ho ban if you are born we hu no every pay no and also to adwene bebre na central force so e wo ho though normally ya nan ki share mu sa nen penfo na ya nan ka close doors but this time around because of say yare no obi ya bre na ye pese boa Ghana man panyini na ye di really sun konem ni ntino na open discussions the GDC central for also no omo no said ye ensem no esiko efaye eti kofi obi samia no kre ye ba monitoring about the share said ye asoja for no edi won juma omni police for no ye fa montene kuma montene de nante mpeso ano bebre na ye ba bewie ye ewo menhia no ma yef mu bukru mu ne musa be fa mo shizongo baba be fa yenya so kro from ena ye business akọ airport ye dia soja for flight no na ba na ye kasa na for no eno na
among issues more be about 4 major cases the Regional Security Council they told me say investigating alleged assaults and a few other issues are also manya update na say akwakusi saying obi a near Siabono media guy with Nhyira FM any DC any police no talk ni nyina mo take it because saying
Nhyira FM issue no popped up you deliberately on it. However, Minister Mayo no say more put committee in place or say the report in the beba. Of course the findings bar and no na bema kwan ama resecne so almost so ache on adwene and the afa ho na we bibia yes so ya take matter no up nti Nadia Akoso no. But so far, each case no is being investigated. Into Nadia say regional minister Wadasu Debbie or name pen for no mama you say in this modern world that practice democratic policing no behe say obibia ntiatia obia fa hundie so nti na sana etie
mo findings near makakra mo ba behwe ye mu hu ye mo beka say exercise no partial log na ye saying
well generally no now your discussion especially the leadership of the committee and the conclusion was that Kumasi for that matter greater Kumasi no Jumedi na yi krachen and crime. That was one of the key observations. Notwithstanding, you can say Kumasi have less endowed communities, as in we were poor communities, compared to that of well-to-do communities in terms of residential status as an American. Really not me who say baby escafo no wo no na compliance ne wo soro pa
obia ne match dem street ni mu as a ghost town hunu hwe o emeche no hunu obia wu tebe mu din ba wo bo ra baby a ya ne hia ne wo soro na utimi hu se otu oni se nipa no da so ebi hihihihih mu a cheze ne krase main street ni no mo mpese ebe hu a o mu hihihihih potem ho bebre ya na ehadwene na ehadwene akra so de na ye west kra ohwem ye bi ti se eye bukom choko de ba mama obi ho na oba lajo ho so de ba kotoba bi wo pig farms ho and part of Nima ho na nye said the person at the end I see. Are there any recommendations?
The recommendation, and say, don't forget, you have to generate a report. to the plenary na parliament are discussing. Notwithstanding, no, the recommendation based on strict adherence to compliance, no, very important. One, I was see a few who say, baby, to the independent doors will be bring out no. Was a security agency no more visible hopper. Na ye mama for no tea and near massy. Me jidi say regional minister me born about say o share sensitization program e koso public education e koso. O kasa no ordinary tu na. Oh yeah. Interviews are all in education echo.
Edos, yeah.
Edos.
No, for regional minister, he's been on point. He's been on point.
Yes.
On point.
Inti no credit back up. Eti you say, I was so be a buano. Now dear me see for me. Oh, a call from now man for not say because we also found that acquired to say nippon bino say ignorance. Say ye buapayo. Ayet so dia bro. Yare na ye kan wasem no mo je agudie. And sometimes we share nipa bi omo so akọ school. Timi churchro. Na we share social media. Omo flooded with fake news, any sensational stories. Na ayet say again na hwehwe kura man bi omo hunu omo ni mi omo chi no. Na obi enfifrete no. Na ebi mo tikrom ha afa ne say oh na we obi kra de could you believe say you call regional coordinating council after the meeting me engage ni pa me no me ense bi omo ka che na say we dey scafo yare can you imagine hey eti be hwe mu di say oh na say we dey scafo yare enye ya me kra ka me bo sankrofo ni din kra mo obi ehunu omo say say Kevin is omutio omutio then I was surprised it's Gavoyare. Let me tell you at the end start here no na imported cases at least first to 9 cases in an imported cases I jitum say yenuanu mu a wo mo free amanone bi te say United Arab Emirates, Germany, US, UK, France and China omumum and the idea in the now are not trigger to community spread, and that is more dangerous. Obin to kwai when yebi as we speak. Are not started no fair. You know, and I'm no say 313. And no cry no. According to your contact tracing project no. Half of any panel as I say no. Yes, I call Korisho Momojamoa, and no Eddie Figure Nakose. So it tells you, say, there a crabby Bessaba Becahum. But you now cry, ye, and she said, Papa, O my penny, you, because we share more. Say, O my penny, one, he took a bold decision.
Yeah,
and now pressure ban, so say, a quaint beer, so need to now if free Yemiano when this walk around a bar, who uncle Fagana for now. More China number. That Oman Penny took a firm decision. Said no way. Yem provide the woman with the needed logistics, including food. Near Momuska into Bakaya school for no and no more Ninano. Now buying Edisika Ekoko Mawomo to Ghana's embassy or China. Now Maya Omo 8 years to an NDC for the Manubia. Woman causes are Omo Crawford. And non sender who own some no where and a classical case is Italy. Because who be a province, a one city now, a US ni Italy for those power for those exchange programs are hold almost near the university or on the doors and a bus are no almost students no including Spain. Now as we speak. Italy, Spain, almost badly hit by this deadly outbreak, coronavirus, and I said COVID-19 way. US and there should be a cases as we speak. Any pabe over 82,000 and a woo. Nipa 82,000 a woo no kofi. Kumasi Sports Stadium we see hono. A bomb mapa day and a 40,000.
Yeah, 40,000.
Now Tino nipa a walk Kumasi Sports Stadium mama ya ma. Na ya sign as hami nu anase e din kan de na ka ho. E de nketua ni bia wa ka ho. Nipa ya ma. Sa na o se o twe wadwene siso. Sa nipa we ni aka o se o mu nyina ewu. Se si a ye ka se cases no over 1 million. Na woti ho na nyankopon a ehu ye mobo ebibire mu ha. Ena reta tocha yare ni kun sabi amaya wo ma bobra chese ke fasika de nkomu wo bi pa. Na ye no adum binti sabi ye mo anti agemai ye nyina adum bi o. Ena still we are exposed, especially politicians. We are the most vulnerable group as we speak.
One cheer ni pana ozo chira ho.
Ozo chira ho. Me ka che me call around a me che emu any sanitizers, any Veronica buckets, any dustbin. Ede me ma the stations no any inform me wa ni kokora oni widows association. Emu kakra na me de me ma omo adanishia yansana lockdown no. That was a Sunday no. Na me yes adansa na omo kwa ye to obi apono mu. Me hwe me si me wo ha na papa bako chese obeba me a mi wura duase no na kofi ana me si opanyini na ze we dey yare obi anka dey afford for me ho and that is the center me yam shimi because social distancing we are not observing it aduane a eche ma me bo minister for gender and social protection only able deputy adwuma wo mo ye no. In fact, any regional women's organizer, and a regional organizer, because me jitu nse chema untu mi so ni abre. Ohe ni ma o che de bois. Ni nyina ne se ye pese sebi. Ye contain sa yare boni we na antiati se. Oni nse kofi just this week. Oni nse tafo. Nipa bia baba be hye ho. Ama ye twitwa ne dindindin.
I see. That is serious. How do you know so Wanyabi?
Oh.
Because you are too emphatic. Also Wanyabi. Mususu Wanyabi and now Wanyabi.
The TNS test a course.
Okay.
Oh. And you know, I know from what I say there could be mandatory testing. That was our area.
Because as I will be critique fear and panic, I'm a woman. You must show me.
Cannot say coffee. Yarea, ye can once and say, and yarea, so more now a jam. Okay, I have survival of fittest.
And there is true.
Immune system, no, dear. Na de ya na ehun ni se bia na chronic disease bia na yare bi na crash eno na ya na ma di wa hwemu a tichu penifo no pado do na ya na ewu ni ade ade eno mo ho nya din but ahweyi die ya de ehia chen bibia prevention is better than cure. Now I know say nipa never pick intel from sa source no I heard say police fast china
but yes, somebody known what center on Wajania free Wabashawa and answer Omoya Tessivi or baby no Wajania Bashaw.
Coffee Omo monitor will be a quarantine war.
Okay.
The number, they know the number. And it's about copy free more. Also,
and that is a serious breach. So be your quarantine center now, Utimi Adriani free ho.
Na Bubu Africa cases no so abe obesrewu ekrofo mi eza echi omoto wo Senegal bako yire nurse na chese wa tie yi ne kiki na mi no nso do aso
o kanse obi abese wa yi nya several course Bukrum estate estate junction wa on your left so kakra esen kofo bi Nigerians and other nationals abigua omoye this bibi some money bebre
Dotty so there's a case and about 3 days ago me na mo MR junction me koye sensitization program ho e ko check sanitizers e wo PRC news site or MR junction on a picky intern with the man young free throw with the mini free form. But I know says uncle for the achievement. I know.
Okay.
I know says uncle for the achievement. But Boku must state there or Pejadia Bay. Off my ending como.
Oh yeah, the details
yes, na because Kofi I deal with it in one. Now, make the way mobile because na here defa. Ya hospital no cry, yanko cry mo. Kole bunesi wana ye mo na ko funi za ma.
Yeah, minim sir.
For not try mo.
No, but sir, minim Collins, minim sir, omo bet initially say na omo di bi aka ho a. Rage na best 4 any si ho. Konfanoche na best ho na enu even up to 5. Enti we have a challenge.
As we speak,
yeah,
I know, say I buy at the best, including new hospitals.
In Bank of Ghana, other University of Ghana, hospital in they are converting it into
medical centers. But what, as we speak,
yeah,
when it comes to health infrastructure, look, Italy is one of the best in the world. Italy. So who they do your research? But omumpo. Share crowd. Nipa awaye ma nipa gugu abontene. Yes. Inti emo beyond that and let nobody deceive us. Say near esi wa my bisono. Cases ni ko enimu no ebi ntimi nsi wa ha de ye kan nyina ne se yes sere mama ye take things for granted eno na yes sere sisia ade a me de me bompa se nyame ohun ye nyina mo bo mu wiase mo bo not even one country because ye nyame hu Ghana for nko amobo na yare na ekoso ewo amanya akazo a we are not living in isolated way.
Obviously, there's nothing we can do.
Enti adie na ye kasusia no. Empire ye bon, ye empire say breakthrough bimra. Na za breakthrough no. Ye nya edura sebi. Ye de kan wa na chese. Ohun ato prekope. Enyese koda yema waduane ni yema ununum na yenhwe se wa body na be responded to treatment it is a koba sesebe nkwamo ano ye no ni ahode a na chese wo kwa ano no and that is serious it you know na media me stress and she say yeah precaution measures are any tips health tips are every day ye dey ba aban o mampanyini brano na waye televised national address na wa share yensa ha na ye drum cases no say na do bambon share no say na tie Kofi e was say ye nyina ye dis e was say security agencies others are free commander in chief of the Ghana Armed Forces by ye say ye checkpoints ye entry points official customs points are media bora o man we mu yensu si betima body ora omo man mu no yenhwe se ye ban yenhwe se ye be make sure se nipa bonifu bia fa yare MSI sa na obi so onye nipa bonifo le emu yare bi tetare no ho onfa nintansa MSI enti me am on record se ohwe baby etise pada ye official entry and Hona between Ghana and Burkina Faso. And me and limited operation need to only Paga. Yenre Hamley, Yenre Sala Surohono, Sala district hono. Yenre because the guy say Emra Burkina Faso a yinimu ye act of terrorism no. Kofube Kaya nipa bonifu bi benante soro ho che say ye local people here bi ene man yen asoti it no say remote crossings no moma yen bom pempe ma obi nkogye adamudie ketewa bi na wonja obi masa bi onfa ne yare bi emesa yen yes
okay
pepe ena ye aplawo ye between ye ni Togo eso ho no and also no there's a place no there's a fall nkofo dware ho soldier for no ni nkoho ye
okay
the bi muntimi ebi we about this the Togo for ni bi dware de bagana na Ghana for ni bi so timi dware e de koho on approve na Burkina share ne so no elugbo ho mo hwe ho o fa sunya na pese o de ko Abidjan o mo hwe ho nyina ma ye eye o se kojo krom gono krom ho nyina so these are all remote crossings ye ma bambo mu nye dene obiama ne ni na ho social distancing no e key. Okay.
Okay. Honorable Collins Osama Nkwai, member of Parliament, Edema, Wadishia woman shan of government chairman for government assurance, right?
Yes.
And now Usaya vice chair, Edema government parliamentary select committee on interior and defense.
Member
ECOWAS Parliament. I will be the other Facebook a govi Collins Perfus crowd.
Mention of 4 fans.
Anyway.
Kofi enough
of no credit. And is true.
Mention of 4 fans.
Finally, minim say abay donations are all ye minim say MPs indirectly more air coordinate BB kakra mo mpesua so or more vulnerables e wo ho mo zongo ni miamia bebre won e kom do wo doso won sa kan mo de
enra also pro interventions ne doso here what the central government presidential food supply a program no na no Panyini in his own wisdom. Pese ye beye bibia ama yosem. Pese bibia ama yosem. No, ye clergy. Asofo ne imams no penfo no omumu na coordinate no. So the mention no. With tacit support from their members of parliament. Because we MP sabi ujina homa nipa nyina unyina homa FB ujina homa mpesua ni nyina so no nti kwan bi also otimi hwe na wa manfo ni titu the vulnerables so they now work on those who destitute in our communities san Crawford no kwan be ne be fa so asabi omu sabeko wano ebra hwehwe ekura yen no ye one it is our program no ekoso then again no depots ahodo no kakra I'm sure the operational wise no Ghana man pension ka yentimi feed nipa over 400,000 bia yesusu say ya na ifie din it is our program no ekoso then again gender and social protection ministry so na me bo me aba honorable Cynthia Mamle Morrison one me aba Frida Prempe abaso ne regional women organizer abaso no so almost so through certain intervention no aduane no debre koso nra chi answer na parliament here for ya quickly my bank right Sepebu Krum, Krofro, Moshizongo, areas be or two and if you are what you say property no kakrapa. A whole yamin said Biane, no, your pochebi, and your Hong Kong. Yankopo Yadoma and ne, the Bechin Miani be pre at the Ama or more money be. Minim said Mianimeno Castle, minim say, and then Miani be pre Bessaba. Apart from that, no, meaning say a back rounds na yasa check community by community. Kakra yansan so no. My number na one way and comfortable me on my phone this. But I know that it's big. packaging very big. The mankushia, yebema, emo, yebema, anwa, yebema, a bia, beans, yibi. White beans, no, yebema, a tomato paste, be brains, and yaman, yebe, no, and Mr. Gusua, as a check sanitizers, no.
Okay.
No, the me personally because my procure over thousands of sanitizers. Me turn wa don't go hokra no enye sika ketwa. And sana the medicine kind also buy be enti and also air cost.
Okay. Collins, Anopay, very extensive discussion on broad areas. Yeah, better was it. Bibinia, Anopay Besatun Safro. Jina Sona, Emma, some update our issues via Yabobo Sono, our off air. Better was a palm. I was about 47 minutes past 7 live on Nhyira 104.5 FM. Collins, who's a member of parliament at the mention of now Moten and Kano. On many other areas, yeah, the home come. Me dame home, Abba me ba. I am from our Sakabi. Regional Minister at the statement about insurance, foreign mass foreigners at the era regime and other related cases. Yabakonia Kwakoshani and Sweden Komo. Derek Drew was so police in the soldier need the brass or Nanoka Krebina. Why and some new chatwa. And Nanamna Yabom. We are dead near Bo. Yabasha and so Yakwa could do home Komo. Nina and Commando pay. We feed no at the higher day ever. We feed in
Data be brave.
Talk time be brave. I never want that from
It's not over 100,000 and you give such a government 4%. That is hypocrisy.
Kro Yi Mu Nsem.
And I'm sounding a warning to the MPP. We're going to match them boot for boot.
Abosoba ne meja paye entisia mosomfo aduana ba kofia sante anopano num enefa ekosi nonkron semeduana ba pa ho aduada ekosi yawada na efiada papa nyameke nso betena dwem ebre kro na
Kro Yi Mu Nsem. I ask you to be citizens, not spectators.
And now,
Kro Yi Mu Nsem. Kro Yi Mu Nsem. Ensema ekosu kumase no. Yen kan ye yeti ko ka obi dia. Kro Yi Mu Nsem. Be we soldier force ye discipline no. Banga for na soldier force specific. Kro Yi Mu Nsem.
Anas, the nyansa krono no dey pok Ghana nyina.
Kro Yi Mu Nsem.
You can engage in all the propaganda you want, but if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you.
Kro Yi Mu Nsem.
Dr. Baumia, what's our reviewing economics boost in a minute? In so piece on the economy management to be Anthony John Mahama now on only time next city no at the China inflation senior they get for almost how many marks
Kro Yi Mu Nsem.
Ghana for Sena abe abana absorbing through NACO. It's not over 100,000 and you give such a government 4%. That is hypocrisy.
Kro Yi Mu Nsem.
And I'm sounding a warning to the MPP. We're going to match them boot for boot.
Abosoba ne meja paye entisia mos
man 4 year 4 more for Nanano. What they say 10 years more for Collins. Campaign because
that's it. Asala my menchia Santimai. Na menchia Otiko so. And I say to the second, Nana make a say. Na machia party penny for regional chairman, Aban penny for regional minister, KMA boss. And the mention of addition from polling stations. Chairman for Council of Elders, Chair will be na my chair in Nhyira FM. As you saw, July for any TFO in a ministerial college. Me no more special arrangement. Into chair of man of persons.
Na me cancer man for 10 years for Collins because you say wo kwan nyame adom sisi ade watimi aye dodo no aguso almost stop here na say you are not construction yet part of the lockdown, but so far progress is causing.
Well, so far, majority say so good. Coronavirus and I said COVID-19 couldn't stop Nhyira from enjoying massive infrastructure development. Now, eguso aye koso. Many okase contractors no 3 and oversight.
Okay.
So Juma.
Okay.
Mene wo kase ya uhemwa Kumase de me ho na metimi akase contractors be num no mu nyina ye adwuma na se me no kase me nsa gbusu a mo ye adwuma nti eye airport runabout edikosi estate junction eye attache contractors omo egusu omo ye adwuma sisi kra no don se ho na ye dual carriage nti omo wie ba ko no kra me no mpo omo wie ba ko de omo be se eye na otwikra ye bie ni kakra ba he se be bie ni fully se ne be ya mo betumi apply sa route no na pressure wo mo shizongo ina roads no through ye nyaso no na conform kakra Bishop Construction Limited so many o ka say asphalt overlays no mo guso a o mo dukro from a in fact constituency ni mo fe be hunu say total transformation and contractor construction UK firm almost so na almost see airport no modern airport no omo kasa so ye adwuma many o ka say Kro from ni ye nyanso nyina no omo guso a omo ye drinks na ekoso kama enna omo de no atofom kakra DHL company omo na ye Chinese for na no mo ye estate ni nyina no na what happened is omo kasa omo kwa ko di afashe China unfortunately Hubei province and one hona see na COVID-19 outbreak no sha se no hono musu ntineke se mienu na kokam ho na mienu na kokam but oba no enyine de menene she's in Ghana nti ye hwekwa be fa so a se omo be cheni betima dane amobi a ne ho odin na wato aso a na pontem ama estate ode fetch inside one kasa part of South Africa
yeah na me fie anim ho bila ho no jata area ho mezapia gusu area o maye cause me fa ho chekakra
I say ho no so ho no podie problem ne nso kase because already drains na ya feel kwan so kakra nti hono unlike odi free bila ho South Africa station hono but as we speak my member Yunia Penny Gambra so abaso
okay
urban director Ashanti region oni urban rose director KMA Yunia Nanapoku Atapoku but juma no credit e ba ko pe na o he juma e koso nyina ye nyina o mama na ye mre so amame is say having done my part as the lobbyist for my people a minister responsible for roads and highways honorable Amuakwata or Abame constituency 4 times and yes four times no one kasa de nani be hey e kan say Boshe na o share for the appointments committee say obere no see makwan no omo ehunu say promise fulfilled nti metimi aka say omo so one Ghana man panyini asida kese ne de ema won kwan ne yegusu a the lovely company ono so ewo kilometers a ewo mention enough
okay
so almost so aba site ma omo no de ye ni say omo be ye 1 kilometer isi na nafodo ho ebebo awuramu aba be si choko ho etwam dia call rooftop eno no e de chiro ho kwan bankrofo nim e already no me akasa makọ ho ma slums e ho ne wo mo de kios ni me bia kotisi ho so bia nyim free omo so atiase e bia yi Academy contractor na ba site ama me amene na corrons including 2 engineers urban roads ye wie no owia ono no say ko quarry ne dot so ye ko twa 2.5 kilometers bi ho say ne be wura quarry kro no ade anu nyam sonko beba then again so near the 1 kilometer bi so ato diase new site ho na chese enclave ni nyina no obiye ni hu a se bi obetimi aka se yanhwe no in terms of road distribution. And you know, we are on course. I know your road infrastructure.
Of course.
When it comes to health, education, and also so the brain is
I think say yeah tatao take you on a coin. Ni bibidie na one of the guys yemisa on so monsa can be a groups ni bi a leader inusa bema emachi obenshira FM
papa
na moye kai for ne wo kumase monsa kan oduane de
we de no ko menya mini ayam se kai for ne doduru na sanka omokiane
by birum so can be
no okay the yenwa de ebia saka
okay the yenwa ne de birum saka bi
ebia saka bi
ade na nka musa pe
because bebere reject say the omo no
na yema mo de yenwa ye
omo amu aboabo police room eba nyina to mo ti se omampani se yenche emawom nka omusutie na nko mo pe on se eya na mentendile mo mbla on se tirim fo no ye didi afa no eya na problem obi no ade ani fi bebi ba omo suspect na me bebere na me firi san company fo no omo ye mistake ka sabi pa yo leader ye wo penny fo am da pa no wa santrim leaders ye wo NDC leaders and ye wo NDC leaders baga na uko kana pra ye wo ya ye hibi ntine ma ne mebu o ma ye di e ba ni se ye se mo ka leaders ni bo no bi ade na adwene ba wo ye be fa so a nkola ne nsa be ka de ane go pa ye different type of kaya yi ye o ma mu da jom
na ada na mo leaders no mo organize na mo nkuhu na mo mpanimfo so bi a yenuanom wo ha because anya ba bia na mpanimfo na ye chenuane ne bi hu nti mo no ko identify so yenuanom bi wo ha on be ba chairman
boss what say one would you maybe be o mo ya we do no ngara den go pini be na pa nya because ye to aba mpanimfo bra santim ba je ko be ye to aba mpanimfo ni say o leaders ya o mo simo mo flip up on every corner battle. So the chair and Accra, Accra, you will be free. Accra, Muka, Puka, in the boom, and one anti-80 for them people. It is a video of the back here. I know you're heading where the so leaders did anymore. And they are normally almost telling you. But having a son on me, you're a man at more young challenges, young cats on family, young check. Yen ka some family na yen yi do but ye won penifo ye de papa no omu ni se dan na omu bo close na omu abo no papa fo ni bi e won krofo a omu no omu bo dan a omu shop so a ye wo bi e we ndi side na ye wo bi side but ye ko fe ni pe menu bi di enim so omu no omu ye papa leaders papa ye almost 67,000 e wa santi me pe social affair director bo mam figure no I not fight from my right. Me Fatima Kaya you are century, meaning the men Kasa were so. Openi bi wa century, Jom you know, but money in mean said here, me Fatima Paupa. But say ban stay the Paupa for Didi, a bin Didi. Some penifoni be arm one blam, I don't can't say more. Paupa idea and pay more. 7 meantime, some mom. In the areas, if you want to move no muda bantu mujuma, ye area be so do ho, na ye no mo dia no ho dia na be obi ambeje na dia ne. Abu side the Quran ye no ma, ebia dagoma lai. Area we ye no papa dia ne. Ya chiche peace na ye no ma mo ho. O ma ye no ma mo se be che oro ma na ye no ye ri chero ma o. That anya ne sa mo almost lead the bre obi anu onim kurasi e che dia ne go obi. So boss me pacho ye go ko bi se na djumo obi amala okra ta bi se ye che bia no bebi ko bi se na asem sire and bi se no be de ba se nko mo fo mo yen se na mbe ya ye so ye be kire ya adwene ko e be fa se be che e be so obi aso pepe papa fo ni bi wa ha o mo no mo kunum na ti ha e bi o cars e bi o moto a mo ri ya djumo ma o mo sa e hia o obo wi ekiri no omo no mo di ni tike ene dia ne me mo su do mo se me religious omo no wa ne blame su do lolo ko ho na ye tike dia ne ene na nse say deputy minister na oba no alo efe me mu ho no omo ko gina tike dia alo ni pa be na ofo a wu re nwe si ekiri o bo se fe me kiri o fe re nwe su a ko e pa ko tula bi ti ye ko fo di ku amu da ko me wom obi afra Jojo of for winning the me fighting from me am right. Me fighting that I'm a pop for me kokata me pa abon think at for bad.
Okay, nti sisi a mo wo hefa. Nko fo ne deda he.
Epa that mo jom so am jom e ba betem asafo. Da eri no hono mi pa ho me mo na ayere ejina.
Okay, me jiri sempani fotie on be ba mo nchen na o ma ba beboa mo. Salifu Mohammed and so one of the leaders for the Slam Dwellers mo afon kwantane ne mpotemo. Salifu, morning. Hello Salifu.
Hello.
Yeah, Salifu, empom te say. Empom te say.
Yakupon adum.
Okay, mo team no so anya o maduane de.
Ya nya bi.
Mo ehefa pote na mo nso mo nkofo da na mo ye dodo be sen.
Okay, ya dodo de minti nchira ba ya buru 500. Se wo fa half on kwanta edi sane ahwiam clinic ho no ma. Ya wo ho no ma. Na wo sa fa wai ko kwan no esane eba fo ma. Ya wo nsuo na anu sa ediko.
Wow.
Yes.
And as we speak, the end day na maya munsenya nka de esa munsaka. Ana mo be na motu amunsenya nka de esa munsaka.
Okay, mi momu die sa asamwe ba no so mu si yentina fie so me ni mo bia say bia me ba ye den me ba tu ana mu bia apart from the assemblyman na me nemo no but me ma bona mani say ya aduana no ye nya bi. When you crowd or dim number mamma, Moody frame me and a pay.
An assemblyman, no one in a Kasai was saying.
Assemblyman, dear, or say a bibaba. And all day are you, Vorenica bucket in the EDBC honor, dear, or say bibaba.
Timunsaka, a year bucket and bow room and saum come.
Yeah, bucket no, yes, Saka, bucket no, dear.
Kase bia aduane na monsabeke bia na aduane na nyamai
aduane dia binyamba ba kokura sa uba hono na nimpa be 500 ya bro but men gindi se obi anya aduane
si amodidi mu ayedin nyaza
yadidi yes
tumu yedin
yedide demusa se ye adwuma wo so wontimi mpie hono so aduane onhu obi a oton aduane gi se baku no mudi pano ebechum se unni gare we dem a yi se pano no bi na wo beto.
Okay. Okay. Bibini a ebe sign aton safro. Munti mpenimfo nsuti on betimi nso abem. 4 minutes past 8. Live on Nhyira 104.5 FM. Ya nempenimfo be kasa na ya twe wana dwe gina so. They are doing great and Rami Hussein RCC park da enim ho no the nadmu team nempa nuane bebre e wo ho a ompanpanimfo aparedi a omo bakwakoye distribution ebe director omo enko na atefo omo bekaya this last week na ye nem obo abusua edin komo over reporter na omo tro de koma Ridge Hospital say ompanimfo en declare omo odehye obo papa ufiri mu ana allegation and nsem ekose COVID-19 na eje no pedifo no request say omo emfa ni detail as we speak omo nsaka no omo nsankan enra abetodwa say busua nya contact with papa the late chief omunyina test negative intabusua no eden na omo kana na otutuatuo mensa odro ababio kasamafo de ma obo abusua na no pe mo ache de Nhyira FM
pia me offer da CP
yo
yakopon Nhyira o medio so
yo akra Kofi Asante na wo kase eni de mu pese enya ntiase report no aba abusua nipa do asan na wo ye won tester abeto dwa se obia enya covid tb
yo Nhyira na misha opa so far no nipa 33 na amo ebe fire sample no ekoye na yen 33 na go poncha de yen nyina abeda adi se yare a omde susu yen senka ebi wo yeso no ebi ni mu bia so
COVID-19 report no ebaye no nipa 33 ewo dwaso oboabu family immediate family ni nyina no obia ni bi
de pacho obia ni bi mi a me kasa yi na me kasa victim no ya go poncha de omde report no baye no omde obia kata hye ne nsa yen nyina show negative for chance obia wo sa COVID-19 yade a omo isusu no
na hefo na ye Dwaso government hospital anase nkan and the report no mamu
yo ipacho omo be yes at trace contact no ebi fi Dwaso agogo eni kumase no be yes no na Dr. Rubin and Dr. Penya odi animu ama womo ede report no eba ya Dwaso omo be fa sample no koye the only site team of sample quantity on one side team no and the samba ya the report no by an stamp about report no so
sisi amoye den
you so far even before say me fan to so e manenya ho na da bia me ka say nyagopon na idi de woni bi asema no nti abusua no yegusua ehia ayenya ye de ale no eto ye so a I'm going to show you more be in the home, in the mono. Until ye yasem na say, the JD be actually a poetry jump on one answer.
Nano na watch them who say a social media so crana mudi na watch day, Zoom, many other platforms, Busian Transi. More cultural cratas and Kamo Abusia, a hospital and fa Modishia report, Emma, but Omdi Amamu.
A patch of the no saying nano, if you switch na you did not know so. Sabusian say, I be and the addition of court and see a dono. Na yet, that is some the Vanyasem until you shoot it in some report no about thing. Na Senyan can report no until you share the range of one until you did say, and feel now, the be now on the report no at thing.
Unsenya nkan ya de na moye ama
say yes anka report no report de me hu de ntia say yes ntimi nka tie say amudi ka fa papa yi a sample eja yen ye de am fa ye within a short time na atwemienu akọ aba ndi ade e pati pa nti no mutimi fa papa no report ye de share report e ma yen ese mitimi hu mutaye ne adwenko e ta akire yes ade no
almost the internet that fa a report.
At the property.
Now, Omadi Kakacham say as a result of COVID-19, right?
Amon can be visa.
Omunyan can be visa.
Debbie.
Okay. Bibi ni abesa to nsafro. Na na otutu etuo mensa odro abebiu e kasa de ma obo abusua na motene nka no. 9 minutes past 8. Asugusu a wutie Nhyira 104.5 FM. Bidi de aduana ba Kofi Asante ni. Yankwa ahoma so na ye ne Asante Regional Minister eni nkomo enra omede krata aba bonten atwenya adwigina ne ma bebre so na yenyi nkyiremu kakra. Aram anopaye mo ache de Nhyira FM. Nyame adom ye mo wabaso efi se ade ba yi wonai wia no pa nwumre mo bo adwuma mejiri se mo bo adwuma nso na mo hwe se mo so mapom den ye kama se de be ya ebe wie no na afi emubu mu wo de
that kidia ponya ko anda ma ye he bo mo dum ke bo yo homai ye da mo so ma Juma media phone no ya adia kai no ya Juma so ko pa
I think some more proactive. Your friend Mamo ho Riano Pa na Jose the PR Jumano, you are doing great. And apart from PR, behind the scenes, more a lot of issues. Asante region, Yababi do 25. Huka kraba mumwana ana yemuhu.
Definitely. The number no possible there. Na ihun so Samuti President last address na. Or it just say yenye wo lockdown. Ibe ka ho na mreni bin ka ho. Ejina testina apomdin asoye for no ye. Na see ya on na lockdown no ban. Asante region. Near 9. You see, you do 25, which means 16 have become. Meanwhile, testing because one more year contact tracing, you know, so any family nobody knew the big messy. We are hoping that a young baby in Ananka picky, now if I have here a decline. Now, my team, idea. They basically are a choir from my penny faso. So, young faso, a corner, I COVID-19 is, you know, and no, I debate regiment. Never me whom they do. Me, I'm a croom crab.
Jache.
Yes, I'm croom.
Hey,
your croom, I call your friend, Prenya, and this same town, a book. Will be if you have to put via and so the share on my near protected. No, no, I know it's quite worrying because any part of the world, I don't know. Well, that's a very now contact is normal training facility.
Wow.
That's my yes, the bunch of crews. I'm out on the and then you we yes, it's 1 year man, I cut the Sabon, to be out and nobody feel perform one and so we really read and the yeah, maybe we. And I said, one so why did you foreigners? And you really,
yeah, and then I remember, sir, on a foreigner, but now maybe say, you say, I told you about this, unapproved route, no movie or mobile, Nipa 116, Burkina Base, Benin ones, or more than it to me, a fact, Beura Kumazi.
Covina no as I speak, you will be the real complicated coffee. As I speak, the day don't have a problem. The Ukraine to kill my don't have a problem. Engineer one will be our doctor. And the far of from my brain, so it won't be about family of 19 high. What revenue in our way will be such a blessing. South now, the Mao. I don't can you believe that if you be near Cochini Pama 90 free Benin any two.
I know more fear back Munum.
If you need 90.
How?
I will Kenya deal. I'm going to see any part 14. That will feel back more. Came before the rest of the cover and good rule.
Race course.
What was the and how to whom house he wrote it? Any book any partner, a man not be ready for a young public case meeting. No one left to do.
Then, and a big rent, Yanchoma, come the best side will be a. That's right. No trying to go to be you need to connect now any family. Now try to know about every 19 now. Not about which is academy diploma. Yes, one would see so many for the young fighting. What would you see who feels they are coming report? Now find out exactly what is what we do. Yes.
apart from the health risk, it's security risk. There's a couple of one room and no one yet got in here. What was up on the outcome before we
Minister, Regional Minister.
Then they'll come and build the government and the leadership of the region.
Yeah. Even before COVID-19, network business will be mokofa nipa close to 200 to 500. Safo ni bi da so ahyehyehye miamia. I think say omo bi na mokoche omo Kenyans we ya. We haven't reports of Bokrum the Kennet or some other businesses. And so omo gugu fie ahodo bi mu. Minim say mo so da form more peke. But what do we do now? Ebreti say
last question on my
Nami bisa say sa network business boys are free the neighboring countries before even COVID ye nipa more than 200 modo omukwari sisi deportees afo no ebinum da so ahyehyɛ mia bi na one of the schools that were Tafo area ho ukes ebinum kokko boys student bi kura sekan intelligence that from HRS omoda so awu mu ana na den na resec moye
what the brain say a problem kura yet you
okay
you know that woman and now say ya kusu board and I get woman from where we have to feed them taking the money from.
Besides, yes, another headache.
And we have to accommodate them. Where we take the money from? You see, they say, why, but you are watching your war. Then we deal with you. What happens to you? Why do we have more? How can I help? And I want you now. And it's only one. You also means I want to punish it. And we are not going to let it go. To me, I think there's more key than feeling. Now, the woman also put it to grab. Now we have internet business to go on the internet. No. Then in internet, no. Africa internet, no. Give internet, no. Why can't?
Wow. So far, a lockdown, security, more collaboration, or reporter wunya, kosei, kumase for ne yaso ne bambo for said he see a 100 case, no, as head of the Regional Security Council. And yama kosei.
January, no dear, conference level, no dear back. Security for no, so it's more my and society. Social media never be very Google. No fun that. And 9 maybe a year incidents are bit matter SEO region. Say I'm among all the investigation into come out. In fact, meaning a teacher any amount for the social media. The investigations are ongoing. But they see what happened. No, the press. So be boss with the meeting, no, press. And Ruth Nina, or no, DC, or work at the and also no press. As to the actual issues, I cannot delve into them because we are still
investigating.
And I'm a position, one DC, and I offer please follow because of my position, the chairman of the RESEC. It means there are not social I don't need to do anything. We look out for a bias or cover by the investigation or bring a risk now. We have it. And nurse in India or no nurse, soldier will be born or woman, she hospital. And also, and Nhyira and staff we are what to the neighbor and so the and also we morning me member once which my cassette yes idea a war reading here will be bring all of my drop and Yaman the crisis year 2013 do month will be up to 2 media and and I will be no Cameroon, and then maybe see what Cameroon could be travel to the sea, our country in Yemen, the Brina and the press. But me, one more I have here, and I make some that I did not know. But the secret intelligence agency also, the big travel, I think we need to intensify our efforts. It was that okay, coffee ready. We come in what the pictures now, maybe
it's in for them, yeah.
To be in the country. The rest of Kuma, up to nothing, I think it's time because I'm for it near Lumizako. Unless people will not talk, they are not prepared to talk social media and or mine, I will never be a number. Because what is drop of war amount for any Bambofola. You are setting one group against the other. I don't know you are for in our time, Emma Bambofola, and now Bambofola in our time, Emma amount for. To try to have Bambofola and Maria. There's more to the media that is not one enough. Also, the name of Mobuyan. Now, what is to go very fragile. Lack of Fatima. And one more time, there are 61 for money.
I see.
When we are making action. Now, my brother, I know that we are not. We go to the truth and after the
very serious. Very serious. Na on my idea, of course. But me pacho PPs on the national level, way on the national level. But as head of Regional Kids Council, me misa se be officially be do anymore. Omoduane some concerns about say extra ebi ha enye of standard. But region ha onsa kasa report ni be free individuals within the security.
Then man, two sides of it. But for fire service for now, initially, no budget, no uncle, the 100 in America. For me, a budget over police and military, or half over fire service. And she won't deploy one crop for let's say at the initial phase, no, there's nothing that. I was a demand. It's in the name as a committee minister beyond common. Or Yahweh fire for the plan. So they will pick up for them. But as head of Regional Security Council, my best like a credit, the need of food. I'm a fire officer. Of a more far and a car or my board now also. So national security minister no release nobody.
Line drop about mamenya we wape mapiska kakra with Ediama a police force of Vanka kakra mabo. Okay.
Budget now cover.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I think now can deploy up to 100. Definitely, I'm on police and military. The almost deploy, I think about 50.
Okay. Okay.
Then now, the budget now government, or might deploy the remaining number and could do 100. I think they deployed 50 or 70. Then now set up any hope for them. Now,
okay.
That was the issue.
Okay.
And now, please follow military. Originally, no.
Yeah.
But it will be around. No, but I could do the honor. Now go for the bridge. Who be fair for Mokotodia. But what the theory will be, say, oh, ever area. Now, time now, you are for Mokotodia. The time on that, I believe you see what.
Okay.
So the decision was amended. First, I said, "Yeah, almost more than non from excuse them, a cottage and a cottage and no."
Okay.
Now, a bar boss and no air to sing. The meaning for now.
Okay. Okay. Bijirisa at the national level they will deal with it. We not me besides but a dry ya to tumuno is it for only the period of lockdown and I say a bus lockdown no and next week President I extended na ebeko so atwa so I may perceive this understanding.
Yeah. And I said a dry ya to you will get it at that Dr.
Yeah.
And I'm telling more of the social distance.
Yeah.
The care we try to or more become more for 4 months and man. That is why a man clear me issue you get trying to tell you so much as a normal situation can be our two. When you said with time no. So I would say I only be a almost so more identity of winter. Only said a Casim to crowd because of the same reason.
Yeah.
And the men say, "Oh, man, almost yeah, they're likely. They are not even finding out." Let me say, "Them in also much as you
okay.
Almost as you be that. So I mean, so because of woman can't get on the woman can know my baby, so could be here. You my bamboo for Kuma, no yet the bamboo for no that I am in terms of degree, and also craft to have talked from and okay, I could be a friend of Bantam about peace. The Pantani or more year one, and the person of friend of Papa and medical. The risk you have. Yes, and I am not going to the place in order. Yes, you dare say a mental headache.
Okay.
Even ordinary the market. Market on the village matter left of it. And no amount we release the other. It just a that. Yeah, war.
Man, tell me, okay.
I'm right. Yeah, so
okay.
You the main part where you could make TV and you find that good question. You are cutting the question. A couple of food.
Yeah, Faho, Nipa, Boa Peso,
exactly. I can include it.
And obviously,
yeah, and just what you think that's all kind of. Okay, yeah, if you now from the month of the we just have been for be left face on the day. And why? And besides that, even outside the lockdown area, maybe. But no, I get the unemployment when I do that. So we got the name that so you can imagine the number of people who go. And you know, we find the best with the very German people. That number is increasing. You have to find the one to one tap our boy, if I want a crowd in the baby. Am I a spreading more? They do one every year. A bad if more than 1,800 new one day. Now, I never 1,800 without
as a Kro Yi Shenwan, no, it is so be a class.
Yes, they say, not the so they got to be about the film in studio. I you could grab it. What you ask for your cover the film. Now the card will be like a
Ansari Jana Crab. Okay. Regional Minister Sebase Jewa Drench on advice say extend the lockdown here. But Obe Kase next week in Chaso and I am Twaso.
My ancestors now are more, but just never back to us by year. No, before the lockdown, not easy the white until year 9.
Yeah.
Now I do 25. We are only, contact tracing, from the middle. If you are make a lot of me,
wow, crum,
obviously, every cruise bar or one test positive contacts in Kunakura so far, as I know you were no much jumping under 74, 75 feet. I don't know what about tracing black and white. And see, Yamia and the 1 feet. Now 74 years old. If you are going to be I've been on the contact tracing for 30 pounds. You see, then the number of contact tracing on the economy. And you see now when you contact tracing, it becomes difficult. It is a number that increase here. Maybe a formulate and I mean, there's a number of costs there. We stand the risk of possibly maybe that. You could, the year and the lockdown. And the bad affecting, one serious. Oh, my afternoon, dear. Oh, anything I'm a day woman to them because my call we are near London. Now, I have committed you now. Oh, yeah, oh, to TC Crum now we're near ma. Now, I am to my dear. Let me know, mammy, that you don't rely on report. One do any Caribbean. Now the report no brewer. Now they are putting their own to do it. Then on a year, walk out in the street. Won't go for yes, won't be a woman of the butching poor. If you back when you give your own the same area, no more to spot. Need one more for that. Maybe Bobo. Now, with my Bobola, won't count. I never know your Bobo. Also, I could so many free now decide. No, when no, one idea. So I didn't have a TV. I didn't have that over boy. They would talk about it because they are no common shop. What star? What star? How can you observe to share this time? And that's far, anybody is supposed to credit. Dabi na obi gina che ne edi atem ka ho na ntosuo eba what is obi gina ho mo ti ho no I say na be mu ina so no we are ready what happen it is that they say you won't tell you want to be to that the whole ball to far but for the show you got for the no and no so do everything fit for this is not the time for you fit who the exercise the whole them open kitchen room na bo open wabbit my flight walking intensive kakra walk a few no lemon kakra open to cry who treat on them a child time which you about on rabbit not to 2 years and you know a lot of that to be not now but not to see you can do simple tempo exercises just to keep you in shape. But then keep fit for no I'm I see. Bringing it together. Now, I saw the Easter crafty Uncle Easter. Now, so to Metro Dame. That means a chief meteor analysis. Obviously, Sebasa Untu for there in the region. You suggest say lockdown and Kayan Twaso. I won't see that for now. Okay. My answer, eliminate I do not want the okay. Okay. I was still almost testing here, and then I'm afraid. We have to extend it. Oh. I do 25. I did also say, I do the peak next plateau. I am possible you are now you have here. Who is a decline? There's a not so many Cambodia. There's a little peak ground. And I have yes, pretty young baby. And a woman for a war bosom train. Oh, yes, I heard the aswad day penty DC here say from
2 o'clock obi anko vie kasa no omo kasa, but I think say e hon so ne bia kwa kopie we. So it's a wake up call say on beti directives assembly na so dia ba enforcing 2 o'clock so bi anche dem yi omo ta frefre e complaining
me chiro as a very brava atamaniam they should know that this is no on the this whatever is a lot of if you want to get India, well, you know the consequences. And that is one. Security holding out too. It's all that. Controlling was becoming difficult. That's the way I understand now. Or to the control. We are pushing now.
Yes, what they say, Sadi name common nom crowd, say, lockdown, ya, Marky, is a man for Edim and no Mercus.
Put me in the security council that is if you have a power of if you are stop maybe on not or more become the brow or you get free. Call for it. If you are the person who is there, and your home, so the regular minister. Now, what you then? Each other, what I'm to mention. And they got together, and they together, and they work together. I was in Brian, and because that is where people end their income. And I even go for just after the local they also end
revenue, yeah.
And
not at all. Not at all.
There was such a person kind. Economy in here. Not your free as well. We can bring back the economy. But we cannot bring back life. So we are it's better we protect life. As against thinking too much about the money. We are a favor. People are effectively budget in money. They don't have any other option. They are good. As for the we are on the need. Do we say, and then maybe meanwhile, you can't be only just carefully far out of the town and the blow jacket him down. We are also.
Of course. And they are no crapper.
And he sent over this and anybody any of the service, yet from really funny number. Actually, now to the bar, yes, we are in the
Regional Minister, my mom Abasubim, I think as here we see leaders and we've seen leaders, and you've been one of the leaders who are coordinating issues very well. I mean, at the end you are doing great. Only with team, with all the security couples. Ya bebo mabaso ni akase munko so abate ya na munso mahome kakra na munko hu hia we need you. Erani sheja. Sha we janka na wisia. Azia de we janka.
Because 50 years ago.
Anywhere we see, enti we are wisia chaza ma me ne papa nyina kwaja enti we are wisia.
Okay, na we are wisia.
Kafra ene ya chicha bodo ya ese ya do de abrewo.
Ah, o do me de abrewo. Na me fa we into ato kakra.
Oh, okay.
This remo biani o man pani ti e chicha. Enye bia bia obi mu a yesi obi amedi biani bi gatwa mo a eni dina wo mo Enyesika enkutori anigi. Woman yemperi anema. O se me was every time we know. Seven previous. Adum kakra na pidi adum. Nya me ma ya ni. Ne me yebi na mebi. Then the third year na ye chen. Oni se ko. Me ko mi udini. You didn't the center. Ebi ade me ko jino. Uta ko ye ani ni bina ke de be ma. Na watna. Ti me ko e di fani bi nye bi. Ne kom na me no kom. Me na me kom.
Okay.
Mo ma yamba wo mo ma. Enya wo ma ko mu nya de no. En ko ji. Na enya ye fe na de ya kakra ebe ma ya ma ya sapo ya no e ko so ye na wo mo ya fo no indi na mo ye e bia wo tell them your original visa commit to a bibi na me na chama
na o cheche ma consensus ne unko for party ma
that is not the rationale behind it men nti no man pani ye wo mo a sabi wo mo
Kaya 4 groups be to akasa. I think so Monsenyan can be, but as to how they identify them, no, or more challenge na.
It depends on that or even private crowd or maybe.
Okay.
You get private crowd.
Okay. Okay.
Meaning
okay. Okay. Okay.
Meaning that party. The was the Ikakra and Nyanshada and Shafi and kind of normal Shafi. Now, at your moment, I don't know. Almost the target for me. Put your uncle on that. Be killed. Will be a crowd for
to command aduane aye no ya wonya ba bi kura nkono yeah
if you want target group no bi akaya info bi a omonso omonse de bi a omonso no bi a omonso bi a na no about those one they are no targeted at those people and wa mi akonwa ibi gari tire fighting oyo ni ade ya pack no bi a ono osmin wo ya bele dia tete dia wa pie kuma ko ye bi ama o ye ta so gani and this all the lockdown na bana e wo mo so ono be e wo be so yo bit manual dia ni dia na wo bi chi bit manual dia ni but he cannot control the enemy problem. One year no mainly, and the pack one, or the other coffee upon what the enemy. Now, the men friendly service from chow. Meaning, if you go back at the canto, almost at the pack. The medical ban, I was only probably 100,000.
Wow.
So, all the bar made ceremony. ABS is good. And create another problem for society. Yes, Ramon. Also a question, your provincial. Only kills. Not you, almost a commodity. And shouldn't be the normal thing to say, young person. That's be that. Almost a temple of one na fine me dan temo na also wo be ma obi aduane se ne be ya o akomu be o be na o ma no ma be ti ya really bi wo kill no mu dia ye ko ya na ba
ko ya na ba
e ye sele o ko wa o mo no mo kata me so akwanya bu dia ma mi ye sele obi a o kiri ya said one of the years done with a bookwa. Don't make I say no say now we to the the go for now we the power. The whole thing that we call at the same time. We are there and now what they say or now. And then I want to tell us from now that will be oh, I am not you. My really not that for the other. That is the
Regional Minister, Anope Yabeda wase. Mijiri se, yakoso bompaye mamu. Mo de monkwanto ha mobo my Ghana. We are all helping, but some of you are leading much great. Yabeda wase. Bibini yabesa ton safro na yaba onchen.
Yo, Mr.
Edas CP. Abisa for Regional Minister Ayora Simon Osemensa and Amotene Kano. Ono na ye the Regional Security Head and T Bambo for wa santimantem nyina no ono na da wana no ono anehwe mantem iso na Amotene Kano. No pay yem fast dama absa digital banking enko banking ho nkotete bibia hiane sa wote wo mpaso na wadale na afei wa ye withdraw wa ye deposit ATM machine bia no nsabe count there 47 minutes past 8 akwanya wo de ma sha no pay no bedi nkomo bati we mami ansa.
Lots of flavors for us to share. Yeah, from in Nanama Meg.
Kro Yi Mu Nsem. Ensem ekosu kumase no. Yan kan ya yeti ko ka obi dia. Kro Yi Mu Nsem. Be we soldier force ye discipline no. Banga for na ma soldier force stress what? Kro Yi Mu Nsem.
Anas di nyansa krono no de pok Ghana nyina.
Kro Yi Mu Nsem.
You can engage in all the propaganda you want, but if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you.
Kro Yi Mu Nsem.
Dr. Baumia, what's the reviewing economics boost in minute? So piece on the economy management to be Anton John Mahama now on only time not sitting at the same now inflation single they get for almost how many marks Ghana for Sena at the Abana absorbing through NACO it's not over 100,000 and you give such a government 4%. That is hypocrisy.
And I'm sounding a warning to the MPP. We're going to match them boot for boot.
Abosoba ne meja paye entisia mosomfo aduana ba kofia sante anopano num enefa ekosi nonkron semeduana ba pa ho Tuada ekosi yawada na efiada papa nyameke nso betena dwem ebrekro na
Kro Yi Mu Nsem. I ask you to be citizens, not spectators.
And now.
Kro Yi Mu Nsem.
Kamusa pe.
Go bebere erigeti na ko mo pe o ke eya na mintendi mu mbla o se tirim fo no yedidi afa no eya na problem obi no we dia ni fi bebi ba almost suspecting them every
man for year 4 more for Nana no they say 10 years more for Collins campaign cause
that's it yeah asala no ma menchia santimai na menchia otekoko so na say to the second na make say na machia party pending for regional chairman aban pending for regional minister KM boss and mention of addition from polling stations. Chairman for Council of Elders, Nhyira Obia, na Nhyira FM. So July for any TFO na Ministerial College. Me no was special arrangement. Nhyira man of person.
Na me can say man for say 10 years for Collins because you say wo kwan nyame adom sisi ade watimi aye dodo no aguso almost stop here na say you are not construction yet part of the lockdown but so far progress is
well so far me je
atwen adwigina ne ma bebre so na yenyi nkyiremu kakra aram anopaye mo ate de Nhyira FM Nyame adom ye mo wabaso if say ade ba yi wonai wia no pa nwumre mo badwuma Mijidi say mobile adwuma so na mo hwe say mo so mapom den ye kama say de be ya e be wie na afi emubu mu wo de
that Nhyira Onyankopɔn ada ma ye hwe ye bo modun ke be bo ho ban ye da mo so mate wo adwuma media for no ye agia kai no ye adwuma so ko pa
I think some more proactive. Your friend Mamo ho area no pa na Joe. As the PR Jumano, you are doing great. And apart from PR, behind the scenes, more a lot of issues. Asante region, Yababi do 25. Hunka kraba mumuana ana yemu.
Definitely. The number no possible there. Na ihun so Samuti President last address now. Or the two just yenye all of that. If they come on, I'm really being come on. Agina, Testina, upon doing a sorry for no year. Now, you see, on the other lockdown, no ban, Ashanti region, near 19. You see, I do 25, which means 16 now become. Meanwhile, testing only you so our day because one of your contact tracing, you know, so any family so our nobody knew the big messy. We are hoping that a young baby in Ananka picky now I have here a decline. Now may a team idea. They basically are a choir on my penny fatu. So young faso a corner I COVID-19 is you know. No I the very German. Never me home you do. Me I come grab you.
Jache.
Yes, I'm come.
Hey.
Your crew I call your friend Prenya say this same town. A book. Will be if you have to via I'm so be share on my almost near protected no. Now no crap good. Indeed, I know it's quite worrying because when you any part of the world there don't know. Well that's a when you cry now contact with no more actually passing.
Wow.
You can just imagine yes, exactly like that. The bunch of I'm out on the and then you we were to one year man I cut the Sabon Zambi to the afternoon and a body filled before 1 and so we were ready and yeah, maybe we and I said, one so why did you foreigners and through the real
yeah, and then I remember say on a foreigner, but now maybe say I to your borders, Yimunina, unapproved route no movie or Mohomba, Nipa 116, Burkina Base, Benin once, or more than a Timmy, a fact, Beura Kumazi.
Covina no as I speak, you will be the of the as I speak. There is no problem. The Ukraine to one will have problem. Engineer one will be our doctor. And the far of from man bring so the Abba Maria of the 19 high. What revenue in our way will be such a blessing. Thousand hours them out. And can you believe that if you give me a continue from 90 free Benin any two.
I know more fear back mienum.
Mienum if you need 90.
How?
I will Kenya deal. I'm going to see any part 14 as to feel back more. Came before the rest of the command good through race course to go for 12. What was the and I'm for house he wrote it. And he look at any partner. A man not being ready for a young public case is no one left to do.
Then, and a bit right here, and your man come the best side will be a
Nipa penny now. That's right. No prayer, Uncle, we are going to be ready. Say you need to connect na nipa 90 na utra ni na ba ko fe bi no e be 90 na ba ko bi ti ku mu na ya aka da mu kuma ye so mo abu mu fi so me ma ta ko ni ya mo ya fa what would you be able to feel there come report now you find out exactly what it is you are doing here apart from the health risk it's security risk there's a go to go to be no one here there what about when we are from the company
Minister, regional minister
robbery near you back the then they will come and bring the government and the leadership of the region.
Yeah. Even before COVID-19, network business will be mokofa nipa close to 200 to 500. Safo ni bi da so ahyehyehye mia. I think say omo bi na mokoche omo Kenyans we ya. We haven't reports a Bokrum as a Kennet or some other businesses. And so omo gugu fie ahodo bi mu. Minim say maso da form more peke. But what do we do now? Ebreti say
last question on my TV.
Nami bisa say sa network business boys are free the neighboring countries before even COVID ye nipa more than 200 modo omko RCC deportees afo no ebinum da so ahye mia bi na one of the schools war Tafo area ho ukes ebinum kokko boys student bi kura sekan intelligence that from HRS omoda so awu mu ana na den na resec moye
yeah what the brain to say a problem kurano yeah chiwon be do
okay
you know that what and now say ya kusu board and I get to all my from we have to feed them taking the money from
besides yes another headache
and we have to accommodate them where we take the money from you see they say the wife but you are watching your war then we deal with you what happens to you what do you have more take an outfit and I want you now and it's I want you we also means I want to punish it and we are not going to let it go. To me, I think there's more key than killer. Now, also put it to now we have internet business to go on the internet. No, many internet no. After go internet no, give me internet no. Why can't?
Wow. So far, a lockdown, security, more collaboration, or reporter wunya, kosei, kumase for ne yaso ne bambo for said he see a 100 case no as a head of the regional security council. Enyama kosei.
January no the conference level no the back. Security for no so mama no and society. Social media never be very Google. No fun that and 9 maybe a year incidents are big matter SEO region. Say I'm pan among for investigation into come out. In fact, the teachers any amount for the social media. The investigations are ongoing. But you see what happened. No, the press. So be boss with the meeting and no press. And Ruth Nina or no DC or what and also no press. As to the actual issues, I cannot delve into them because we are so
investigating.
And I'm a professional, one DC, and I offer please follow so because of my position as chairman of the RESEC. It means there are not social I don't want to do anything. We look for a bias or cover the investigation or bring everything now. And nurse in India or no nurse here for be born or woman share hospital. And also the also and Nhyira and staff here was the neighbor so the water in his hours and also we morning me member once with my cousin. Yes, idea a war reading. You will be bringing all of my intro. And your man be crazy year 2013 number Mount Yap each other to section and I will be no Cameroon and then maybe see what Cameroon probably could travel to the sea our son to the Yemen. The Brina and then press. But me one more I have here. And I make so that I did not know. But the secret to present against also. The biggest problem, I think we need to intensify our effort. It was argued, okay, could be ready. People may keep work. As the pictures now, many
it's in for them, yeah.
The rest of Kuma, up nothing, I think the time because I'm going for it, which is near Lumidako. And other people will not talk. Yeah, they are not prepared the other two social media and or mine, I will never be a number. Because good in drop of war, come out for and me, you are affecting one group against the other.
And now,
Kro Yi Mu Nsem.
And now,
Kro Yi Mu Nsem.
Anyway, 2 minutes past 9 live on Nhyira 104.5 FM. MTN 7 Kancho Sano pay a flexible bundle and a one kasa edema was star 138 hash. Enjoy bundles that don't expire. Bobadina any MTN in Nhyira. Mebacho uwofie Bobadina na enjoy MTN. Bibia betuma koskakwa dia ma papa. Bibia boko dia.
So hoye.
Adam yane Ulma Kasa.
Yeah.
The Ebo regional minister.
Adiana Bakufia Santam Chetie Funina na Mifia chairman AG Kofia no chairman so ko donate Veronica bucket.
Okay.
And hand sanitizers ne events nima bebre eleman ko for adanse asokwa.
Oh, I see.
Maybe you're 10 coffee.
Oh, but you're good.
Yes,
I mean, Nhyira no.
Shani papa na ebushafo nyina. Kofi mi papa na na mo. Also man good morning.
Nana anope
catch a pa.
O say eya na o hwe ne ohu enti na mpacha anope de ama call so man kwae waduma na
metene catch. Kofi
ya fe no.
A quick one. Kofi si ade.
Mami chana na bi nso.
Na bi na boadi. Na bi.
Na anope good morning.
One of the loyal listeners of Nhyira.
And you offer back.
For Baku Park, okay. Yet papa na namo and the B. Kofi,
yeah.
This year 313.
Serious. We are still
Shanti region. 26, right?
25.
Yes, so 25. Then about Kofi Asante. Mamo bianfa yaren infendi agro.
And let me worry.
It is real. Until you observe the necessary protocols. Now the necessary precaution measures Kofi Asante bia make sure to be super pepe. Yare no enante nipa ye ko ba na de yare ne nante. Tizeri yakano Kofi 25. Nti enye very 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 careful. And me se nipa na nam krom kakra me ba no pay. Pa. Police forces here de ye gidigidi but baby a ukona se Kofi fi se wunya o se san na obi amrachi Kofi adu na ba anope region minister de bia me kana asem.
Oh yes.
Mbebo na baso Kofi Asante Sanka region minister se to no so aba kamembesa toma ni bim.
Oh yeah.
Sanka onko the next 4 years.
Oh yes.
Bayan to no so aba
nti de be kana se Nhyira
no.
Yes.
Sanka to no so aba kami akobenya mi vote ne Kofi Asante anu achina me catch different between a leader. Regional minister is demonstrating that leadership qualities.
Of course.
One of the reason why me and I'm satisfied crusade way of suspension of all market days. I was
special market days.
Special market days. Me starting Friday me ne Bernard. And a Monday me so bam Sunday to so. So Kofi Asante me ntiase na me ntiase me wiase da e bi nkofo ntemase.
tiasa no ye pao aduana ba Kofi Asante market here the market here place baby enkofo hia either we meet, we gather, we congregate, we convene, or we come together to exchange of goods and services in terms of trade. What Kofi Swati say into baby ye si was in yenko hia obi fi be habeba obi fi habeba ni nya be hia bot dompo baby back ni adidwa Kofi na fe the market what you say so there's a word called gathering, come together, converge, congregate or convene. Meanwhile, president say we should not gather. Social gathering. Dear, remember because gather no congregate we no or see me sorry. Because sorry. Because you come together, we gather or we congregate. And I say, you be kind of boom into a circle. Me suspend a yenina, Kofi Asante. It's a day. Anna, or see a deep market days, na ye special market days. Kofi Sautia, a dra, a just a Sunday. Into Kofi Asante or ye Dania or Jadinia. Sunday, one Quebeco Jusso, Anna Sebia, Efijasi. Monday wa kwadra
and the one and baba ku rotate we baby o
person of your dra Tuesday obako dunko na sokonongo of konongo the following day Wednesday wan ko go so beko sunyane anamampon of mampon the Thursday obako tepa of tepa the following day no Friday obako ada bibiani anagogo Saturday the same market woman no obasa ko bogo so techi mempo de Wednesday Thursday Friday ni digade ni Kofi Asante sani pano so obia obeye den
o de be kan obia
so ne bi nso na so ye force na we bi force mo gina ho we Kofi mu se di force ja force ye nya bi ne to ho a ye be gina ho ne be 20 we pejata no de si ho we ye say na ye kasa Kofi Asante etina me ntiase say ye be ka special market den gusu nkoso emra yes be me yenkada social gathering ya suspend. I'm expecting a German minister by the close of the week. So by issue statement, no suspending all special market days in Ashanti region, if not even the whole nationwide. I'm expecting the next event saying statement from Nana Akufo-Addo, president. Say the next address Biano, special market days in every community in Ghana unsuspended. So Kofi and me borrow German minister baso.
Oh yeah, there.
Sa assembly extra no. We do so. And indeed, that is the leader that we are talking about. Kofi, in fact, si anhwe ye na ye fi say that all can we be this sketchy na ya de ye pe na fi say bi o comedy nipa na ade anhwe ni ye a Kofi yare no e kwa na be koso enti yenti asem fama na say we are not in normal times. Special market days ni de Kofi obi ya wodwa wonum peso aso satellite kona binto so nya do yi benya bi atoto what you say nimbe jene ni ade de e bi ho emu ketekete bayre ne body Kofi baby ya okokro bia so ya wodwa de okobia wo satellite
Ghana krampo ye nimdwa de digu ho
what you say
we ani siso akoto jene wato moko na ade betwim
yes into Kofi nim me expect said yes to Ashanti region no every other region your communities and special cities or towns special market this no Kofi suspending nina because Kofi say okwadra so ko tachiman so ko eye baby mu didwa na ko so say nipa fia bobompem na ye kasa na ye ko na ye ba na Kofi take time there is a the arrest my case but obia make sure say Kofi be observe the necessary protocols yare no Kofi is real memma ye nye won America for na America Kofi anano pay America nipa dodo awu US eye dodo sen eye 14,797
that's serious
435,000 enya bi Kofi Spain eye 14,792 say America and Spain crabbing Italy eye 17,669 Kofi South Africa and almost 2,000 with 18 deaths. South Africa.
Serious.
In a single day, nipa be 5 6 na that was South Africa.
And it was so
America, nipa 1,800.
and a show on kwan in a day. And tell us for Mama Yam Fen Yagro. At the end of the serious. My young Chia Yenia Nana Boache or Holland, The Hague, and Nana and pay good morning. Yene as usual. Papa, Kofi Ampofo.
Kofi Ampofo.
UK.
Yeah, yes, OT.
Nana Boache Kofi Ampofo.
So Momo and South Africa, US in the UK, if you're so very careful.
Sure.
Na Kofomuso Mususu, because almost somebody put the Hompa or more advanced in terms of events. Normally, I had some grown na you can see it.
Now, watch it and I pay in Chakas and come out Tim Nina Kro Yi Mu Nsem Beja.
By young individuals about some donations.
Snake for I think normally about 500,000 Ghana cedis,
500,000.
Dr. Adokofo, Dr. Anope, good morning.
My dear
Papa, now me dream say 1.2 billion aban eyino. Sa donations can say no so kobo nti I think I hear you no cry bit makwakoso donations ka ya man for don't papa enough for
okay say last briefly no say 8.75 million but now ni be more than because you see after that
it is here na be 30 million there about
because it did before we call MTN 5 million it did 1 million
a lot of donations and it says can no ya the be coin
oh but say Kofi expenses e be na Kofi PPs near there you Kofi say me lack of ventilators and
there is true
and it costs so much
cost
I'm telling you cost of watching could be one equipment ECG everybody ECG check in body and maybe call could go and ask them how much it costs
na my main fan to ja say enra nkania echo off around by 10 by anajo if na come ba be dum nkania na by 7 p.m. ECG engineer Samuel Fred na Greco ama omo da say omunum kania no manya problem and I let omo order by the that device omo san twen anajo by midnight no no mudum kania nyina nti na na pay many part of us as na pa by 7-8 na ba bia bebre e off ewo Asante region as a result of Greco omode ba nti ye besre bigiri se wo off miamia bebra buakwa se passe miamia bebri many part of the region off say ya so they are fine but the so ya is as a result of grid coup order omode ba say na omo knock off many part of the region 30 minutes past 9 igusua ye nu edin kombo mini ofore amanfo so atranse kwa amanfo bibia abokode danyamiase na sabri se jawano mfimfimi dia yi de se baba ye kronti nkono akoyi wuti nti sabri dia na cha ala fudodo ya
ba me machine o nti nyame adoma na na se
wa wuti ni enra nwumre na jamedi me machine yi ma de kakrakra unum se me mtimi yi miti sa me nko a me tran hwem na me de machine no me se miti style dia ni da bi tinu an se me juri ho me wi ana ma frɛ me yire akosua be gina na hema me se atotomu a nako bi nso dia hwehwe na nchen it is if you dey bia benya bia adwuma ye
you this guy dey we have the onkwa we
dey ko yi we da bi e dey boy papa di ono akwa di betu di wan ato ho yi wadi yi samna fa ho a na ja odi nkuto na fa ho no wadi yi wan ato dwe no ko anyway ano be ye ni jakakra
show me yeah famonya meso bo unya bia akaya asuna chie aso ko fasika to kwa fa kwa yosika Lord Kenya where me bo senior so manya tika pipi ba me tubi de me ho dia no kwa oh de mo sika bo fare ho manya sika pipi ma me tubi de me ho.
Okay, we have 40 minutes past 9 live on Nhyira 104.5 FM. You need that kakra. Here we are, the sports team will take over. Nami Aduma Ebesan Sweshia and Yawada, the 9th day of April 2020. Good morning, Ghana, and good morning, Asante Mai. We saw our lockdown. Observe the basic rules. Mimpia uni ya and konkwane na banchire. Amanfo yenijwa. Arisama Mayendi.
Ensema ekosu kumase no. Yen kan ya yeti ko ka obi dia. Kro Yi Mu Nsem. Be we soldier force ye discipline no. Vanguard for na soldier force specific what? Kro Yi Mu Nsem.
Anas di nyansa krono no de pok Ghana nyina.
Kro Yi Mu Nsem.
You can engage in all the propaganda you want, but if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you.
Kro Yi Mu Nsem.
Dr. Baumia, what's the reviewing economics boost in a minute? Adding so piece on the economy management to be out. John Mahama now, on only time, not sitting at the same inflation, senior they get for almost how many marks?
Kro Yi Mu Nsem.
Ghana for Sena, at the Abana absorbing through NACO. It's not over 100,000, and you give such a government 4%. That's a hypocrisy.
Kro Yi Mu Nsem.
And I'm sounding a warning to the MPP. We're going to match them boot for boot.
Abosoba ne meja paye entishia mosomfo aduana ba Kofi Asante anopa nonum ene fa ekosi nonkron semeduana ba pa ho aduada ekosi yawada na efiada papa nyameke nso betena dwem ebre kro na.
Kro Yi Mu Nsem. I ask you to be citizens, not spectators.
And now.
Kro Yi Mu Nsem. Kro Yi Mu Nsem. Ensema ekosu kumase no. Yen kan ya yeti ko ka obi dia. Kro Yi Mu Nsem. Be we soldier force ye